Hi! Some of us may own tortoises at home. They can be very cute and very exquisite little pets. However, they are not an easy pet, and certainly you will need to know how to take care of them before you have one of these at home. Today we're going to discuss a little bit about what can a pet owner do to examine their own little tortoise at home to help them understand more about their tortoise's health. First of all, it is important to have the right the vivarium, the enclosure for a tortoise. Depending on what sort of tortoise you're keeping, they all have different requirements. Make sure you do plenty of research before that, or speak to your local vet and they'll be able to help you with a little bit more about what are the requirements of what tortoises need in terms of their heating, size of it, lighting, what sort of food they eat, what is good, what is not good, if you're going to be living in the garden, what sort of weeds are poisonous and things like that. So all is all very good, okay? Nextly, you can also observe your tortoise on its own little habitat. What does it do? And usually owners, they are pretty clued in to seeing what is normal in a tortoise and what is not normal in a tortoise. How fast do they move? How quick do they move? How much do they eat? How much do they defecate? And things like that. All is all very useful information, okay? Then you can also look at the tortoise themselves. You can look into their eyes, okay, to see how bright they are, whether it's sunken in or anything like that. You can take a look at the nose, watch how they breathe, whether they are breathing with difficulty or with labor, whether there's any sort of bubbling in the nose to indicate respiratory issues, okay. Occasionally you may even look into the mouth to make sure that it is nice and clean, it's not inflamed, infected or full of pus or anything like that, okay. And after that you can also look at their body condition, okay. It's not easy in a tortoise because it's a shell, but you can see in between the legs, in the sort of the area between the neck and the leg and the back leg as well, okay, in those areas between the shell and the leg itself, whether they appear, the skin, whether it's a bit more sort of overly wrinkled, that may indicate dehydration, okay. Or the shell itself, okay, the shell should be quite nice, firm and hard. If you find that the shell is soft, or it is quite pliable, it is a little bit rubbery, then that could also indicate something else is wrong if it is not the sort of tortoise that's supposed to have a soft shell. So these are all little tips, okay. Looking at the way they defecate, what they defecate out, usually there is a sort of three components to it. There's a watery bit, which is like the urine, okay, and there's a white color bit, there's a urates from the kidneys, and the sort of a brown, black, greenish bit, that is the feces, okay, and they all come out from the same hole, from the near the tail. That's called cloaca. And examination of those defecation, examination of all those waste materials can also give you a good idea of how your tortoise is getting on. So I hope this has been useful for you. Any comments, please do comment below. If not, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great day.